All right, let's look at the homework 2.8, problem number 9. All right, I'm just going to do part A of this question because the rest of the parts are just, the same problem with different numbers. All right, so let's look at part A. So we have y equals 1 over 1 plus x squared, and we want to find dy over dt for given dx over dt and x value. All right, so let's do that. Right, we just need to take the derivative. So we take the derivative of y with respect to t. Right? We can have a couple different ways. We can use a quotient rule, or we can use the general power rule. Let's see. I'm going to just go ahead and use the quotient rule. Right? So first, I'm going to just square the denominator. So quantity 1 plus x squared, right? Derivative of the top is 0, and times the bottom, which is not going to really matter, but I'm going to write it down. Right? Top is 1, times derivative of the denominator is 2x. Right? But we have to multiply by dx over dt. Right? Is that good? Right. So actually, maybe I shouldn't write it there. It's not going to really make a difference. Maybe I should write it here. All right. Dx over dt. All right. So we have that. All right. Then since this is this time 0 times anything, so this is going to be just 0. So it goes away. So what you get is going to be there's a negative sign, and there's a 2x over quantity 1 plus x squared dx over dt. Right? So for part A, right, so dy over dt is equal to negative 2. And for part A, x is negative 3 over, right, so you have 1 plus, I'm going to go ahead and negative 3 squared, so can I put 9 here? Right, squared, times dx over dt. dx over dt is given here, so it's 7. Right, so this is going to be equal to, so 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. And then bottom is 10 squared, so it's 100. Right? And we can simplify a little bit here. So it's an even number, so it's going to be 21, and then it's going to be 50. Right? I think that was it. So it's 21 over 50. Right? So let's type it in. So we get 21 over 50. Right? Let's submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got part A correctly. All right, as I said, the part B, C, D, all you have to do is change the value of x and with the same derivative. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.